How Prashna Kundali delivers accurate predictions. The Kundali or horoscope, based on the day, time, and place of the question asked by any native, is called Prashna Kundali. It holds a special significance in the resultant astrology, because often when the questioner does not have the correct details of his birth, the answer to the person's question can be given accurately through Prashna Kundali. How Prashna Kundali is created. Often natives who do not have their exact birth time, date, or other details remain in a dilemma as to how to get accurate astrological predictions. In such a situation, Prashna Kundali proves to be the only option. Prashna Kundali is created at a particular time when a person asks a specific question. That is, an attempt is made to give the correct answer to the question posed by the questioner from Prashna Kundali. Many times, the astrologer asks the questioner to choose a number between 1 to 249, and on the basis of that chosen number, the zodiac sign, degree, and the lagna are evaluated. In this method, the ascendant is determined on the basis of numbers to make predictions. Numbers from 1 to 249 are included to determine the ascendant. 12 signs are divided into subparts, and subparts are given these numbers from 1 to 249. Predictions as per Prashna Kundali. The Hindu Kundali has 12 houses, with each house signifying some particular aspects and events of life. Houses are the most important part of Prashna Kundali. The first house is the benefactor of happiness, age, physical appearance, etc. The second house is the benefactor of wealth, family, etc. The third house is the benefactor of the younger sister or brother, servant, valour, etc. The fourth house is the benefactor of mother, motherland, knowledge, etc. The fifth house is the benefactor of children, pregnancy, education, love, etc. Disease, fear, enemy, competition, death, etc. are seen from the sixth house. The seventh house is the benefactor of marriage, wife or husband, love affair, business transaction, etc. The eighth house indicates loss, quarrel, mental disturbance, etc. by the enemy. The ninth house is the benefactor of luck, religion, foreign travel, charity, etc. The 10th house represents business, position, progress, work style, etc. The 11th house is the benefactor of education, elder brother and sister, etc. The 12th house is the benefactor of change of place, enjoyment, charity, etc. The most important thing about Prashna Kundali, different from all the traditional methods, is that it is fully capable of delivering an accurate solution for every question. In such a situation, astrologers are able to tell with certainty on the basis of this Kundali that at what time and in what minutes an event will happen. If you want Prashna Kundali answers, click link in